When I started my YouTube channel, I was only thinking about making videos and sharing my passion for fishing with other people, hoping to encourage more and more people to release the fish. I never thought that this would also give me the chance to meet other people that share my passion. Since I started uploading these videos on YouTube, I had the pleasure to meet plenty of people, fishermen like me, that saw my videos and came to salute me and have a chat. One of them, without knowing me or anything, launched me the invitation to go fishing with him from the kayak. Of course, that for me, that was enough or impossible to refuse. On the first session from the kayak, I forgot my camera in the car and I only have this photo. But the next one, the camera was with me, and here is that fishing session. I knew it was going to rain, but I wasn't thinking that it will come this hard. Come on, now it's the best time to catch a fish. So the hopes will get a little bit higher than they are. Come on, that should be a good spot for mask. I still can't believe that I didn't got any hit, even though I'm fishing for almost 40 minutes. This spot and still nothing. This is already the third spot that I'm trying. Huh. Come on, that was a hit. At least it was the first hit for today. Oh, these waves are a little bit too big. Echo! Here it comes, the first fish. I'm not even sure what this could be an asp, even though it looks a little bit too angry for an asp, so I don't think that this is an asp. I'm just trying to pull him out of the current, and I don't know what this is. There's a big chance that that's a catfish, and I'm quite sure that it will be a catfish. Credo che è siluro! No, don't go under. Come on now, buddy. I'm not expecting for anything big or something like that, but with this current and considering that, no, that's a channel catfish. Come on here. Whew. This wasn't easy. Okay, buddy, I will just release you here. Come on. Thank you. Here we go. That was a nice hit. It took it on the drop. And in this case, I really hope that it will be an asp, even though I don't think that it will be an asp. It's again one catfish. Yeah, again one of those catfish that I will just try to... Come here, buddy. No, not in my pants. Here we go. I will just try to unhook him as fast as I can. There we go. Much smaller in this case. Thanks, buddy. Okay. Oh, that was nice. And I'm quite sure that this will be a small zander. Yeah. Here it is. It's not even hooked very well, so chill, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, finally, here it comes in the end, and I think that it will be quite a good asp. If this is an asp, should be an asp. By the way, it hit the lure, definitely felt like an asp, and yeah, that's a big one. That's a really big asp. Come on here, buddy. Whoa, you're big. You are really big. Whew. Fatto?
Sì.
Grazie.
Ne ho fatte tante.
Mamma mia. Purtroppo
Mamma mia,
non ho
bello.
1 metro, ma è veramente grosso.
Questo è bello.
È veramente.
Wow.
Ma guarda quanto è ciccione. Bello, bello.
Sì.
Dai, che lo lascio.
Bello. Via, via, via.
Vai.
Ciao.
Mamma mia, che bello. Eccolo! Sempre là! I don't think that this one will be as big as the other one, but again, it's quite a nice asp. Yeah, definitely smaller. Here we go. Are you ready, buddy? Thank you. Eccolo. Come on here. Die. This one feels a little bit bigger. And I think that, yeah, that's a nice one. Here we go. I just need my pliers that I don't know where they are. Here they are. Are you ready, buddy? Thank you. Come on. Now. Sì? Dai, dai, che arrivano. Eccolo. Sembra più piccolo questo. Sì, perché guarda, è già fuori. Here we go. Eccolo! Sembra bello? Dai che lo metto qua dentro così. Sì, è abbastanza bello questo. Ah, ma che mangiate. Guarda, questo è già bellino. Eccolo. Ah mia, che mangiata strana. Quasi sembra che sta vibrando. Ah, è piccolo per quello. Here you go, buddy. Vuoi la foto? Oh, what a hit. I was just asking my friend if he wants a photo with this fish because he just caught an ass, and here it comes. This guy really looks like a big one, so I kind of hope to have a big asp. Yeah, come on, buddy. No, 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 no. He's coming to me. Come on up, show yourself. Where are you? No, 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 don't go under. I think that this will be quite a big asp. Oh, I think that it's full hooked. I'm quite sure that it's full hooked, yeah. It's quite a nice ass, but it's fold hooked, so that's why he just went crazy. Oh, nice one. Alrighty, buddy. Thank you. Sono io. Sono io. Adesso vediamo chi ha preso il pesce. No! Sono tutte e due in bocca. Sono entrambe in bocca, veramente. Vieni te di qua. Non posso credere. Dai, 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 dai. No! Slamato. Eccolo. Vai, questo viene verso di me.
Mamma mia.
Mangiata? Ottimo.
Come faccio a non prendere più?
Ce la fai? No, mi è venuto su. Il mio è piccolo. Vai. Yeah, finally. It looks like they are a little bit deeper than usual, so I will try to retrieve my lure a little bit slower, even though this is quite a small guy. Come on here, buddy. You'll be free in just a few seconds. Thank you. Well guys, this is where this session ends. It was quite a tough one, I have to admit, especially in the morning, fishing with all that heavy rain in that windy conditions and with the temperatures that were around 12 degrees, which in sandals it's quite cold. But in the end we managed to catch some really nice fish. It was great fishing in kayak. I have to say thank you to my friend for giving me this opportunity to try fishing in this way. And yeah, that's all for today. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.